Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram fail to send message problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings. Now as you see, scroll down to the apps section. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Now go to the storage. So as you see here, you find this clear cache, click on it. And as you see, you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone. If it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful when you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.